Okay, let's take a look at problem 4, factoring a polynomial model. Okay, so for helipads. A helicopter landing pad or helipad is sometimes marked with a circle inside a square so that it is visible from the air. What is the area of the shaded region of the helipad at the right? Write your answer in factored form. So here's my shaded region. And so first I need to find, the shaded region is the red part, by the way. And so in order to find this, I need to find the area of the square and subtract it from the area of the area of the circle and subtract it from the area of my square. So the area of a square is always side squared. So 2x times 2x will give me 4x. The area of the circle is just pi r squared. My pi is x, so that's pi x squared. So the area of the shaded region would be the area of the square minus the area of the circle. So 4x squared minus pi r squared. And so if I factor it, I see that they both have an x squared in common. And so as you can see, they both have an x squared in common. And so I can pull out of x squared. And so what's left if I pull out an x squared would be 4 and a minus pi. So I get x squared times 4 minus pi. So the factor form of the area of the shaded region is x squared times 4 minus pi. All right, let's take a look at the guide. It says in problem 4, suppose the side length of the square is 6x and the radius of the circle is 3x. So the area of the square is 6x squared, which is 36x squared. And the area of the circle is, I think they said it was 3x. So that is pi, instead of r, I'm going to put 3x squared, which gives me 9x squared pi. And so I am going to subtract the area of the square minus the area of the circle will give me 36x squared minus 9x squared pi. If I write out my factors, I don't have to always do this, but if this is something that you need or like to do, I know that for the area of my square, it is 36 broken down is 3 times 3 times 2 times 2 times x times x. And the area of my circle is 3 times 3 times x times pi. And again, I take all the things that they have alike. They have 3, x, x. And so 3 times 3 is 9. So I have 9 x squared that they have in common. And I can look here, or I can divide. If I divide 36x squared divided by 9, I get 4. Or I can see here that I have 4 left minus here, as you can see down here, I only have pi left. So, and if I divide 9x squared pi by 9x squared, I get pi. So there is my factor form. I hope this helps.